loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. This is your very first time here. If you are in the beauty community or you stalk beauty content all day on the internet like me, then I know that you know that Shayla has come out with another collaboration with Colourpop, which is exciting. Today I'm going to be reviewing, not really a review, we already know that Colourpop has amazing products. I'm kind of just going to be trying everything on. Here's the palette. It is a 9 color palette. So I am really excited to, well, I've actually already dipped into it just a smidget, but I'll go ahead and show you guys the palette up close so you can see all the colors, the reflex, mattes, and shimmer colors as well. And she does has the names on the back. I also got both of the liquid lipsticks. One is a nude lippy, which is in slow down, and the other one is in speed up. Then I also got my hands on the new, oh, look at me. Then I also got my hands on the new BFF4 lip liner. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. We're gonna get into this tutorial. But first, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you do hit that subscribe button below. It's about to be a lot of changes on my channel. I've kind of been conjuring up some new ideas and some new ways to go about some things. So you don't want to miss this content. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so y'all know I like to bring it nice up and close and personal. So one thing I'm for sure about with this look is I know I want that yellow caution color to go right in the tear ducts. So that's what we're gonna do first. First, let's go ahead and prime our eyes. I already pre-primed them, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime them better than what I actually did. And this is Colourpop concealer. I'm gonna take a lighter concealer as well and mix it, just so that we get a good light base so that the color can really show through. Like I said, I do want to go into Caution as the first color and go ahead and put that into my tear ducts. I have no idea what I'm going to do after that, but I just know that when I saw this palette, that color had to go in the tear duct area. Of course, this inspired my yellow backdrop today, which I actually thought the backdrop was less orange, more actual yellow, but you know, it works. It still matches low-key. So that is a colorful start, but I love it. I think this is going to turn out really cute. I think I want to go ahead and ombre some of these matte colors, and then we can play with the shimmers from there. If we play with the shimmers, I'm going to go ahead and to Proceed and Culture. I think I'm going to mix those together and blend Caution into those colors. On the ends, I think we're going to go ahead into Maintenance, which is like this burgundy matte color. And then we're gonna just buff that out. I'm also using this brush just to fluff over the lighter color and the darker color, just so it blends a little better. So we want it to be like an ombre situation, not just color. So I'm just gonna take like a fluffy brush and just blend this out around the edges. I am debating right now. I know I want to clean this up. You know, I want this edge to be pretty sharp. But my debate right now, which is why I think I like doing it like this, so y'all can actually see what I go through trying to figure this out. I don't know if I want to put Dead In, which I digged my nail into it while I was trying to show y'all one of the colors, annoying, but it's cool, it's still there. I don't know if I want to put Dead In like over the yellow to like highlight it. I don't know. What y'all think? I think I'm gonna try it. I think let's just try it. So I'm gonna take a small brush. I'm gonna actually wet it a little bit so I can get the color that I need. Let's just go ahead and see what happens. Okay. I'm just patting that color into the inner tear duct area just to give it a little bit of a highlighted situation. I'm in love with that. I kind of want to take the shimmer all the way across, but I kind of don't want to overdo it with that. I kind of want to leave it right there in the middle so that we have that pop. The yellow. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, wait, I think let's take a little bit of Brill right here, and I want to go ahead and place that just along this line here, just to give it a little more dimension shimmer wise. See, just to make it more interesting, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead with my liner. This is from The Balm, and this is a liquid liner, and I think we're gonna go ahead and just wing this out a little bit today. The lashes that I'm using today are from Tati Lashes. Shout out to them because they did send me these in PR, and this is in the style TL4. And I never use tweezers because I feel like these long ass nails are tweezers anyway, so what do we need that for? So I was gonna go ahead and skip face, but I figured, you know, I might as well. So I did put on primer, and it was Maybelline, and this is my Colourpop. Actually, it was in the middle and was like, let's just put it on YouTube. So this is my ColourPop no filter stick, and this is in Deep Dark 185. And obviously there's no method to this. I just kind of put it all over the place and just go in. I do like to blend this out with a brush though, because my beauty blender, you know, look, it does a little something, you know, but I just feel like the brush does better. This does better after the brush. The brush kind of gets it where it needs to be first, and then your beauty blender kind of makes it seep into the skin and look more skin-like, you know? I don't know if you see what I mean, but to me it just kind of spreads it better. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't, but to me it does. So we are going to go ahead and use our ColourPop concealer, and this is in deep. No, this is in dark 42. I typically use dark 46, but I've been kind of feeling this one because it's a little lighter. But I just been kind of feeling it lately. It's been giving me the highlighted, snatched look that I like. So I don't think we're gonna like fully contour today. I think I want to keep it more of a natural face, low-key, kind of. Maybe not. Y'all know I always say I'm gonna do something, then I don't. We're also gonna contour with ColourPop as well, just a little bit, not too much. See, just a slight contour today. I know sometimes I go a little crazy with the contouring. For powder today, we're actually going to use flower powder from Beauty Bakery. For a bronzer, we're going to use the Prime Beauty, which everyone knows this is my favorite bronzer right now. So that's pretty much our base there. Let's hop into these under eyes. Okay guys, so I low-key want to play with the shimmers a little more at the bottom. So yeah, this palette is already looking a mess. Look at all this. I kind of want to dip into our shimmers a little bit at the bottom, but I do want to first put a base of the more matte colors. So first I'm going to go into maintenance and put that on the edge. And then next to that, I'm going to go into culture. And then naturally, we're also going to bring caution under there as well. So on top of those colors, I'm going to go ahead into like their corresponding shimmer shade. On top of maintenance, I'm going to go into hazard. Next to that, I'm going to go into drill. And then of course, lastly, we're going to go into dead end. So I'm going to go ahead and add a black liner on the waterline. And the one I'm using is from Frankie Rose Cosmetics. And then we're going to go into Better Than Sex to, you know, define those bottom lashes. So for highlight, we're going to go into Shayla's first ColourPop collab. And y'all already know that this is my jam. This is my go-to highlighter, and this is Pose from her first collab with ColourPop. It gets me every time, y'all. I never get tired of this highlighter, like ever. If you have not tried this highlighter, and if you're like my complexion or darker, then you missing out, sis. And I ain't just saying that. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into lips, and Shayla did say that this was like the perfect nude, so I think I'm gonna go with the nude Slow Down. The first thing we're gonna use is the new BFF4 lip liner, and we're just gonna, ooh, that is deep. Okay, let me do it so y'all can actually see it. That is a really deep lip liner. All right, so this liner is about to be a staple for me. I can already tell, because y'all know I'm good for using like a lipstick to do this, because I haven't found a really great brown liner, and this is like perfect. But okay, so I am gonna go ahead into Slow Down, and I'm gonna put this on top. Yes, 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 and more yes. What I love is that this is satin, it's not matte, so it's not as drying as some of the ColourPop mattes are. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look, and I'm feeling it. I am in love with this collection. So let's go ahead and just talk about this a little bit. Y'all know that ColourPop has amazing products, so it's not like this was a review to where it's like, is it good, is it ain't? We know it's good. As far as the color scheme though, I love the color scheme in this palette. I think it is so pretty. I think it's so dope. I love the fact that this matte yellow, y'all, because that is like the highlight of the look. I am in love with that. The shimmers are dope. I know y'all see Dead End, and this is wet, and that's what I love the most about this. It's like, what else could you ask for, you know? Like a dope matte yellow, and then that shimmer that just turns into like a melted gold when it's wet. Dope. Culture, I believe this is the same color Culture that's in her Perception palette. from her first collab. It's kind of buried beneath my backdrop right now, so I'm not gonna grab it, but I believe this is the same color because Culture was the name of that matte, light matte brown color from that palette, and I think that's the only one that she recycled. In love with this situation right here. Hold up, I need to blend this just a little more. Yeah, I'm in love with this matte lip, and it's not really matte, it's like a satin finish, but I'm in love with the liner, BFF4 liner with the slow down lip. And it's actually making me want to try on this one too. Let's try this one on too, y'all. Hold up. Okay, so we're back to just the liner, and this is Speed Up. Now that lip is more, that's really cute. Which one we gonna do is the question. Oh, and that one actually matches the look a little better, so maybe we might just keep that one. Pretty much goes without saying that I'm in love with this collection. I hope you guys can get your hands on it because it is a dope collection. I hate that I didn't get the blushes, but it's cool. I'm not that much of a blush girl. I should have got it just to support my girl anyway. If y'all like this tutorial and this review, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.